Here's my Outlander. Right underneath here, there's the solenoid. Okay. I checked that. I swear that's bad. I took it in. The guy goes, "Oh no, that's not bad." But this is. I'm letting my blade down. There's, and that's what I hear. I gotta keep doing that until finally it will come back up sooner or later. There. See? Went down. Now I gotta bring it back in. That's that damn solenoid. There. See? You can't tell me that that's not that solenoid. That's what it is. That's bullshit. Brand new freaking machine. I don't even have 50 miles on this thing. I don't believe so. Somebody could tell me. Odometer, 34 miles. That's the time. Trip. 84 hours, whatever. Engine hours is 14 hours and 47 minutes. Not even 15 hours on this machine.